Udodelonu, peace be unto you. In this class, we have a task on the board as a challenge. That task is under, this one is under angles between lines, and of course, including triangle theory. Then this one is square root, but we have percentage here. Okay, now let us look at the solutions. Solution. In solving this, what are we going to do? What we need to do is very simple. We look at this now. This is a triangle, and I have a line there that crosses here. Remember our theory of angles between lines, that vertically opposite angles are equal. Good. And the sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. And do not forget that the sum of angles in a triangle is also 180 degrees. Simple. Now for here, look, let me solve using this triangle here. When you come here, look at this. This place is equal to here. That is vertically opposite angles are equal. So here is 66. Here also the word 66. Reason vertically opposite angles are equal. They are opposite, face to face. That is face to face. Then we come to this place. Here, let's call this place N. Then we quickly know that N plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is angles in a straight line. Sum of angles in a straight line. There is a straight line here. So we have that N will be equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees, which is equal to what? 50 degrees. So this place is what? 50 degrees. So here is 50 degrees. We have here as 50 degrees. 50 degrees. So you can see we have 50 degrees here, 66 degrees here. Then we now do what? We have the triangle. In this triangle, sum of angles is in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. I know you'll be wondering, what is this cube doing here? Relax. There is a solution. Okay. Then we now have that x cube plus 50 degrees plus 66 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is what? Angles in a triangle. That's the reason. Very simple. Sum of angles in a triangle. Then we now come here, have that x cube plus 50 plus 66 will give us 116 degrees. Is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x cube is equal to 180 degrees minus 116 degrees. S cube is equal to 180 minus 100, remain 80. 80 minus 16, you have what? You have 64. So here is what? 64 degrees. Very simple, because 64 plus this will give you 180. Okay? Then, we now continue. Now, what are we going to do with this cube here? Okay, so very simple. When you see cube here, opposite of cube is what? Cube root. Simple. So opposite of cube here, when you see cube here now, the opposite of cube is what? Cube root. Opposite of square is what? Square root. Very simple. Okay, to find the value of x, please, it is abomination to say divide both sides by quotient of x here, because this is not 3x, this is x cube. Good. So we have that our x is equal to cube root of 64. Simple. Okay. Now, what do you mean by cube root of 64? It simply implies what number will raise to the power of 3 to give us 64? Think. 2 raised to the power of 3. Can you give us 64? No. Okay. Very simple. 3 raised to the power 3. Can you give us 64? No. Look at this now. Let us do it by simple work or by simple guesswork. If you say 2 raised to the power 3, it will give you 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So it doesn't work. 3 raised to the power 3 is 3 times 3 times 3. Where do we get this 3? This one here. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. No. Then 4 raised to the power 3. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is what? 16. Let us check it out. 16 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. You write 4, carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, 6. Wow. So this is 64. Good. So the number that we raise to the power of 3 to give us 64 is what? 4. Therefore, our x is equal to what? 4. Because 4 raised to the power 3 give us what? 64. Very simple. That is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times another 4 give us 64. Like we see here, 4 times 4 16, 16 times 4 64. Okay, so our x is what? 4. So our x is 4. Therefore, which is what? 4 degree. As the case may be, I can say that x is equal to 4. That is it. So 4 raised to the power 3 degrees. That is 64 degree here. This total, the x cube here is 64 degree. Why x itself is what? 4. Okay. Now, but we are not asked to find x cube. We are asked to find x. That's why we go to that extent. Now, this one taken. We still have another question here. Percentage. No problem. Okay. Now we continue. Now looking at this, let us manage this portion of the board. 64%, the square root of 64%. Very simple. This will become square root of 64 over 100. Because 64% means 64 over 100. Okay, we continue. Now, square root of 6, it simply means it simply means square root of 64 over square root of what? 100. Simple. This will be equal to square root of 64 is what? Simply 8. Which number will raise to the power of 2 to give you what? 8. There's invisible 2 here in the square root. So our answer here is what? 8. Over square root of 100. Which number will multiply itself again to give you 100? That is what? 10. We have 8 over 10. You can now reduce this to lowest term if you don't want to leave your answer in percentage. If the person asks us to leave the answer in percentage, we convert this to percentage, which is simply 80%. Okay, which is equal to what? The lowest term we have 2 here, we have what? 4. 2 here, we have what? 5. We have 4 over 5. So our answer here is 4 over 5. Now, this 4 over 5 can also go, if you transform to percentage, it simply means this 8 over 10 percentage simply means what? 80%. How do we get it? 4 over 5 times 100 over 1. 5 divide itself 1, divide this 1, 20. 20 times 4 equals to what? 80%. That's it. So the square root of 64% is what? In percentage is 80%. Or what? 4 over what? 5. To percentage 80%. That's it. Yes. I want to give you another secret here. When you want to convert a fraction over 10 to percentage, very simple. Like here now, 8 over 10, like I said before, is 80%. If I want to leave my answer to 80%, to fraction it is 4 over 5. To percentage, 80%. What of the decimal? In decimal, it will become what? 8 over 10 is simply 0.8. Your answer could be in decimal. So all these are correct, depending. Now, look at this tip. If you want to convert anything over 10, like now, 60 over 10, 6 over 10, any one digit number over 10 to percentage. If I have 6 over 10 to percentage, Just take this zero up. It is what? 60%. If you have 2/10 to percentage, take this zero up. You get what? Take it up here. You get what? 20%. So this is bonus tips for you. This is just bonus tips for you. It's not part of what you are doing. This is just bonus tip for you. Okay. Thank you for paying attention to this class. I believe with this simple analysis, you'll be able to solve similar tasks and challenges. Do not forget that this is Joe Newton online class, and also your digital tutor, your physics and mathematics online tutor. Now, please, the voting is still in progress. Keep the vote coming. You remember that your tutor here is a contestant of the ongoing National Olympiad Award, that is Olympiad Teachers Award 2023. Please vote for me to emerge the national champion and do you proud. Yes. Now, how do you vote for me? Now, just contact me through this number. You can chat me on WhatsApp. Then I will give you the details on how you vote for me, and I will submit the detail. I will submit the evidence to the organization, that is National Olympiad Award or African Olympiads, for what? To count the vote to my point for victory. The voting is still on. It started from Wednesday, 26th of this July 2023, and it's going to last for 2 weeks, which is about 9th of August 2023. Please vote for me. Share this video to all the mathematics lovers, to all the students, to all the kids, all the pupils. Now they are in long vacation, so that they will enjoy mathematics and fun tips and tricks and solutions, easy way solutions to mathematics with Jonathan online class. I love you. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done that, and press the notification button so that you will be updated each time I upload new tutorial videos. God bless you. Vote for me for this Olympiad Award ongoing. This is powered by African Olympiad.